Hi guys, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Ajijis TV. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Be part of this channel by subscribing. Be part of this family. My promise be say you people will be having gist just as it just come now, so I go to get them. So this one just happened now in Lekki, Victoria. My people, you see this life, person needs sense and vigilant every time. For anything where they do, just put sense. Put sense into it. Just put two and two together. If your instinct say do it, you do it. But if your instinct say don't do it, don't do it. You see this crocodile now, this crocodile don't kill one pregnant woman. They say for this lake, where be Victoria Lake. So this pregnant woman has been there for many years. Like say they be even born am near the lake self. Say the woman they stay for the lake well. Now there the woman they do business, fish business. They say everybody where they for near that lake, na fish then they carry the chop. Na fish be their business. You know, say if you dey near water, you get fish, crayfish, crab, na it go be your business. So this woman, na fish in the sell. The people go catch fish. Sometimes yourself go catch. In the supply people fish. So now this same lake, this woman, they don't dey for the lake for many years though. But then say crocodile, they worry people that side. Crocodile and hippopotamus too, they worry people inside that lake. So they say the woman they doing business. So now the woman don't go catch fish, jelly. You don't enter water, go catch fish, come out though. As it don't come out, you know, say if they come out, you get as they take, they do the fish, if where then they catch. So the woman say early morning, they say the early morning, because for this lake, say some people they can't sleep there, JJ. From there, then go enter water early in the morning where fish they take come. Some people don't make that place their habitat. Now there they live. Now there then they do anything what they do for this life. Now there. So it don't be say the lake don't know them, and now they themselves don't know the lake. Hey, you see her now? You see her now? Now so you for think but it not be like that. It not be like that. Say, this place, you see this area, now we get some. You see this house, now we get some. You see this area, now we they talk the thing where they happen for this area. Nobody feel come holler us for this area. Now our own. Now lie you know they go like that every time. You know they feel they go like that every time. Sometimes say you go say you see this area, now we get them. The area go come get you. Sharply. Now say it take happen to this woman. The irony, the one wey no good for this one be say the woman even carry belle. Now that one pay me pass. The woman carry belle. So they say the woman don't stay JJ, don't go catch fish come. Now early morning, the woman say make him go carry water when go take go wash the fish. Water when go take wash the fish. As the woman going, no say crocodile don't come out, come stand up for the water, stand down near, carry an eye, put for water, just come out in eye small, they look jejely, make any prey wey go come, make him bounce on her. And so the woman they waka they go in own they go make him go fetch water. As the woman reach, bang, na so the woman see the crocodile. Then the woman kiri, the woman begin to run. Crocodile they pursue. Now other people they even see the crocodile. One hefty crocodile like this. They even see the crocodile. Now they begin to pursue, they run. May they go help the woman. Before they know him, crocodile don't catch the woman, drag him, enter water. Drag him so enter the water. Pregnant woman no. Now people wait there around there, they say this nonsense don't too much. Say they no go live her like that. Now all of them enter water, begin to pursue the crocodile. Now so the crocodile carry the woman, go put for inside near one bush so. as he don't kill am, he don't leave am for any one bush. Na so he run. Na so they find the crocodile. Na so some people wey don't see the woman, and they carry the woman, come they go waka, come they come as the woman don't cuckoo die. Don't cuckoo kpai. The woman don't kpai before. The woman don't kpai. So now they come run, come enter water. All of them enter water, come pursue the crocodile. Say, you see this crocodile? We die here today. You see this crocodile? We die here today. Now so they waka inside water, come hold the crocodile. As they carry the crocodile, they say the kind Craig where they carry comot the crocodile, you no go know say crocodile don dey there for ages inside that water where everybody they enter. Inside that water where everybody they enter, you no go believe say crocodile don't fool that place. Don't fool that place. Na so they come carry the crocodile, they come kill am, hold am, take something tie am well, come take Craig comot the crocodile for water. So my country people, the lesson wey we dey get for this one be say, you no fit say, you see this road, I too dey waka for this road since my mama papa born me. Na so I dey waka for this road though. I no dey get wahala. One day wahala fit surface. One day like this, or you see early morning, early momo, I dey waka, I dey wake up 4 o'clock, I don't wake up, they go my business. Sometimes make you wait small, make 6 o'clock knack. I beg my country people. Or you go say, you see this bus, now they enter every time, go work, every time. You don't know anything can happen. Or you feel say, you see this plane, now if not be earpiece, or if not be this, or if not be this, I know they board. Now this plane are they board. Ever since I they go this my obodo yibo, now this plane are they board. One day change another plane, anything fit happen. Anything fit happen. Nothing where you go say, now only that thing they constant in this life will not be change. Now in the constant for this life, my country people. So make you not talk say because if they waka for you anytime, say if you go they waka like that every time. This woman been think say they don't born her for this lake, this lake Victoria. You don't talk say you don't get 37 years for this lake, nothing don't happen. But today crocodile don't eat them. My country people, make we carry this one no sense so. Make we know say everything no they waka as we they think every time. You know they take the waka like that. So make we they pray, make God say God they save us. Now make the Bible say nobody will they waka if he make his leg straight. So now I say make I can't tell you now. And I thank you. I go see you now for my next video.